So here's the problem I'm having. If I reset the drone even all the way back to the camera, and I turn it on, it goes all the way forward and stays there, and it's pushing and pushing. And I don't have the controller or the repeater on. So now I have turned everything on, including the app. And if you look at the placement, it's still the same at the front. And then if I go down, try to get both in here. There, that's as far back as it will go, and it's showing all the way down on there. And if I go up, that's it. So I can try to push this up and it won't go anywhere, it doesn't move. All the way down. That's as far as it goes.